Hey guys, so I just thought that I would do like a little tutorial for you for the Lumispa Beauty Device Cleansing Kit. So this is my Lumi. I have the gentle head that I got as an extra, and the cleanser that I'm using is a blemish prone skin, but you can get like normal to combination skin, oily skin, dry skin, and also sensitive skin. So what I'm doing now is I'm just rinsing my face with lukewarm water. And then I grab the blemish prone skin cleanser and I just like kind of rub that into my face, make sure I get in all of the areas of my face. I really like this product actually because it doesn't dry my skin out. I have quite sensitive skin, so using the wrong product I can really tell. But using this one honestly is amazing. Like, it doesn't dry it out, it makes it really smooth, it doesn't irritate my skin. So now I'm just wetting the actual beauty device, just the head of it, and I just put a bit of the cleanser, about a 5p size, onto the cleanser, switch it on, and then what it does is it has like a little sensor to say, well, not a sensor, but it kind of vibrates and goes off when it's time to move on. So you have 4 sections of your face, so you know exactly how long. I think it's 30 seconds on each part. So as you can see, I'm just focusing on my left side of my face, going up and down and around. Now the timer's just gone off and you see the second light's on. So now I need to move on to the second part of my face. And again, you're just moving it around. You don't need to really rinse it again because you've already got the product on your skin and on the beauty device, so you don't need any more. And I know you can't really see it in the video, but it's actually, there is product on my face. It's just hard to see with the light. So as I said, you just go round and round, and then now it's going on to the third, and so on. So that will keep doing that. So for anyone that's asking, I've had a couple of people ask me, the this Lumispa beauty device cleansing kit. So that comes with the beauty device and the cleanser, depending on what one you want, but it stays at the same price. So that's £217.55. I can give you a 20% discount code on that. I know it sounds like a lot of money, and I know you think, oh god, that's quite a lot, but actually it is so worth it. It's the best investment, honestly. And like I said earlier, I've got the gentle head, so you can buy, it comes with the normal head, but you can buy the Lumispa silicone replacement head. They vary to whatever you need. I've got the gentle head because I've got sensitive skin. And now I'm done. I'm just rinsing off my face. You don't really need to do anything. Just pat it dry quite gently, and then you're done. So obviously my skin is not at its worst, but it's getting better. Thank God for buying this Lumispa, because honestly my face was so much worse a week ago. So there it is, there's my face. I know it's a bit spotty, but it's very clean, and that is the dirt off the Lumispa. So I had a shower before this. I washed off my makeup after work, and that is the end result. Like, you think you've taken off your makeup and removed all the dirt from your face, but honestly this is just a massive eye-opener, and it's just worth getting. Even if you don't have acne or, bad skin, it's just genuinely, like, it's so good for the health of your skin. So just DM me or message me, text me, whatever, if you want any tips, or maybe you want to ask any more questions, or me to go through the routine again. But yeah, I'm here to help. I've kind of found this through other people, and I'm so grateful for them helping me out. And if I can help other people, then that'll be the best thing ever, to be fair. So yeah, there you go.